Hi friends, welcome to my channel Mate Karthi. Please do subscribe and hit the like button for more videos. In this session, we are going to see Class 10 Mathematics Chapter 1 Relations and Functions, in which we are going to solve problems 2 and 3 in exercise 1.1. Over to the problems. Hi friends, without much ado, let's move on to our second problem of our exercise 1.1. The sum goes like this. Let A be the set which contains the elements 1, 2 and 3. So this is given in roster form, so we can easily directly see that A contains 3 elements and they are nothing but 1, 2 and 3. The next set is given in set builder form. That's not given directly and we have to find it by ourselves. So that's quite easy also. What is a B? B is the set which contains the elements X such that the property of X is given here such that X is a prime number less than 10. So X has two conditions. What are those two conditions? X must be a prime number and then another condition is X is less than 10. Shall we find these numbers? First, let us clear one condition. Okay, let us find the solution for one condition. What it has said? It has said that X is a number which is less than 10. So what are the numbers less than 10? It's nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It is not less than or equal to 10. It is just less than 10. So we'll write the numbers from 1 to 9. And what is the first condition? Second condition, we have, according to the second condition, we have written the numbers. Now, for what is the first condition? The first condition is nothing but it's a prime number. So we have to cancel out the composite numbers and we have to write only the prime numbers. Now, but what is a prime number? Do you recall what prime number is? Yes. Prime number, I would just call it as king numbers. Do you know why they are called, why I call it as king numbers? Yes, it can be divided only by two numbers. It can be one only by two numbers. That is 1 and itself. Yes, it can be divided by 1 and itself. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers have only two factors, that is 1 and itself. That's it. So we can say it also like this. We can imagine that prime numbers are like king numbers and they can be divided, they can be ruled, they can be won only by two numbers. That is, one is 1 and the other is itself. So shall we now encircle the prime numbers? Here 1, first we'll start with 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite, so it will never come. Now next is going for 2. Is that 2 is a prime number? Yes, it can be divided only by 1 and 2. Can any number divide 2? No. So 2 is a prime number. Now we go to 3. 3 is also a prime number because it can be divided only by 1 and 3. Is that 4 a prime number? No. It can also be divided by 2. So 4 is not a prime number. Coming to 5. 5 can be divided only by 1 and 5. 6. 6 is not a prime number because it can be divided by 2 and 3. 7. Yes, it's a prime number. It can be divided only by 1 and 7. 8. No, it's not a prime number because it can be divided by 2, 4, 1 and 8. So 8 is not a prime number. Then coming to 9. 9, is it a prime number? No, it can be divided by 1, 3 and 9. So our prime numbers are nothing but 2, 3, 5 and 7. We are just left with only these 4 numbers. So B is nothing but the set which contains the element 2, 3, 5 and 7. So shall we proceed with the problem? Yes. Now what they have asked now, A is already given in roster form. It contains 3 elements 1, 2 and 3. And now we have found the set B, which contains 4 elements 2, 3, 5 and 7. And what they have asked us to find A cross B and B cross A. That is the set of all possible ordered pairs in which the first element belongs to A and the second element belongs to B in A cross B. And here in B cross A, the set of all ordered pairs in which the first element belongs to B and the second element belongs to A, right? So we'll just start doing our problem. So A is nothing but 1, 2 and 3. B is the set which contains the element. We have found it. 2, 3, 5 and 7. 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now we are going to find what? A cross B. A cross B. What is A cross B? A cross B is nothing but, what is the set A? 1, 2 and 3. We are going to form the cross product with the set B. What is the set B? The set B contains the element 2, 3, 5 and 7. So what are the possible ordered pairs? First, we'll pair with the element 1. So 1 will pair with 2. So we'll be getting 1, 2. And then 1 will pair with 3. So we'll be getting 1, 3. Then we'll pair with 5. So 1, 5 will be coming. And then finally it will pair with 7. So we'll be getting the answer 1, 7. So next we are going to pair with 2. Okay. So it will be 2, 2, then 2, 3, then 2, 5, then 2, 7. Got it? And then we are going to pair with 3. We are going to pair with 3. So 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5 and 3, 7. We have exhausted our set A and we are left with no elements in A, and this is our solution for A cross B. Now we are going to find B cross A. See, this A cross B and B cross A is entirely different set. Here it's a set of all ordered pairs in which the first element is taken from A. But now here we are going to form the set of all ordered pairs in which the first element is going to be taken from B. So first we are going to write the set B. Set B is nothing but 2, 3, 5 and 7. And next we are going to write set A. Set A is nothing but 1, 2 and 3. Now we are going to form the set of all ordered pairs in which the first element is going to be from B and the second element is going to be from A. So the first ordered pair is going to be 2, 1 because first we are going to form pairings with 2. So 2 will pair with 1, then 2 will pair with 2, then 2 will pair with 3. So our set of ordered pairs will be 2, 1, 2, 2 and 2, 3. Shall we go to the next one? The next element in our set B is 3. So it is going to pair with 1, 2 and 3. So what will be our answer? 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. And what is our next element in our set B? It is nothing but 5. So 5 will pair with 1, 2 and 3. So 5, 1, 5, 2 and 5, 3. And what is our next element in our set B? It's nothing but 7. So we'll be getting the element 7, 1. It will be pairing with 2 and 3. So it will be 7, 2 and 7, 3. So in this way we have exhausted all the elements in the set B and we are left with no other elements in set B with which we can form pair with, and thus we have got the answer, and this is nothing but B cross A. So this A cross B and B cross A is entirely different because in ordered pair, the order of the element is very, very important. So thus we have formed the solution. Here we are given the set A and we have found the set B, and with those two sets we have formed A cross B and B cross A. Now let's move on to our next problem. This is our third problem of our exercise 1.1. Here the sum goes like this. If B cross A is equal to this set of all ordered pairs, find A and B. Usually we'll be given the set A and B and we'll be asked to find A cross B or B cross A. But this sum is quite interesting. It is the other way around. We are given the cross product and we are asked to find A and B. And this sum is quite interesting because here what is a Cartesian product? Recall the concept of Cartesian product. It is a set of all possible ordered pairs where the first element, here comes the real interesting fact, the first element belongs to the first set and the second element belongs to the second set. So here the first elements are, what are the first elements? -2, -2, 0, 0, 3, 3. These are the first elements of all ordered pairs, right? So what are the first elements? It's nothing but -2. It's just repeated again. 0 is just repeated again. 3 is repeated again. So these three elements alone. That's -2, 0 and 3. But do they belong to A? No. They belong to B because here B is the first set which is taken for the cross product. So our B will be nothing but -2, 0 and 3. Okay. Now we'll go to the second element of our ordered set. What is the second element here? 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay. So the second element is nothing but 3 and 4 for all these ordered pairs. So what is the second set which is taken in account here? The second set is A. So we have to be careful whether it's B cross A or A cross B and write according to it. So our set A will be nothing but 3 and 4. So this is our answer. This is our cute little sum. And if you find it correct, you'll get it correct. Yes. So if B cross A is given here, you have to be careful in a particular thing, that the first elements belongs to the first set which is taken into account, and the second element in the ordered pair belongs to the second set which is taken into account. So thus we have found our A and B. This is our answer for third sum. So in this session we have dealt with two sums. So the second sum where we are given A and we are asked to find B. Then with that A and B, we were finding A cross B and B cross A. And we have finished the third sum. Third sum, we are given B cross A and we are asked to find A and B, and we also found it. Hope these two sums are quite clear for you. Please do check the description box for the notes. This is my Kartika signing off. Please do subscribe and hit the like button for our channel, Mati Karti. Let happiness and joy fill everyone's life. Bye-bye.